Alright guys, this is a double sort 17. It's got short E with consonant, vowel, consonant. It's got long E with the vowel team with consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. And usually when we see that consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, it's going to be a long sound. Got long E with the two E's. Now the reason it's a double sort is because in this sort we have a consonant and a vowel and a vowel and a consonant, except this is going to say the short E, like eh. So the good thing with this is the ones that follow this rule, or that don't follow the rule, the ones that make this short E sound, they all rhyme. So head, bread, head and bread rhyme, dead. So these three words rhyme, and they all say the short E sound, but they're spelled H-E-A-D. So you kind of have to memorize. You do have to memorize. And then death and breath rhyme. So these guys, they're not following the rules. It's consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, but they're saying the short E sound. Now, there's another one called lead. And this is a homograph, and that means it can be pronounced two different ways, but it's spelled the same. So if you say it lead, then it would go over here, like something's made of lead. But if you were going to lead, like lead a horse, it would go right here. You can decide which one you want to put it in today. It's up to you. Then we have when, reach, each, trees, steam, sweet, sled, east, queen, dream, great. Great. Great is totally breaking all the rules. And this word is a high frequency word, great. Even though it says EA, this vowel team is actually saying A, so great. But this is the way we spell it. So this is an oddball, so we'll just kind of hang it out over here to the side. Street, beach, and seat. So, our oddball is great. You have to memorize this one. And then these ones over here, they rhyme, and they are saying the short E sound. Now I want you to go to Seesaw and do word sort 17 and write them in your notebook.